The Southeast Asian region is one of the world's largest producers of palm oil commodities. In December 2022, the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) estimated that palm oil production in the ASEAN region for the 2022-2023 period would reach 77 million tons, representing an increase of 3 million tons or 4% compared to the previous year. Indonesia itself contributes approximately 45 million tons or around 59% of the world palm oil demand. Therefore, it can be concluded that Indonesia is the largest palm oil producer. With the increasing palm oil production in the Southeast Asian region, more palm oil companies are establishing factories in river catchment. With the increasing palm oil production in the Southeast Asian region, more palm oil companies are establishing factories in river catchment areas to support their operation. This, of course, can add to the sources of river pollution. Several cases of river pollution have occurred in Indonesia during 2022 and 2023, with indications suggesting that the dominant causes are waste from companies, including domestic waste and microplastic. The existing water quality monitoring system in Indonesia currently relies on sample testing, with results typically taking 2 until 3 days to available from the laboratory. However, the current sampling methods are not real-time, which means that the test result may not accurately represent the changing condition of river water quality. Furthermore, industry have an obligation to report their waste discharge to relevant authorities. In this context, industry are required to report their waste discharge result every 3 months in hard copy. The data from this waste discharge report are often separated and not integrated, making it challenging for authorities to analyze and assess the data effectively. To address these challenges, our team Senapelan 1 proposes an innovation called the River Body System Ribuds. This system can monitor water quality in real time, provide an early warning system for issues, and allow the public to report concern about river water quality. Here are the regulations adopted by the River Body System. 1. Standard Drinking Water Quality Regulation. 2. Standard River Water Quality Regulation. 3. Standard Wastewater Quality Regulation. The hardware works by drawing water from the river, storing it in a container until it reaches a preset level. Once the water reaches the desired level, sensor can collect data and transmit it to a database using the internet. After the measurement is complete, the river water is released and returned to the river. Next, we will present the information system of Ribuds that we are currently developing. When first accessing the website, user will be considered guests or visitors. The guest dashboard includes menus for forecasting daily sensor data and a map displaying the location of hardware placement. In the sidebar menu, there are submenus for user complaints, weekly data, and monthly data. Ribuds has 3 types of client. It is admin, user, and guest. Admin represents the local government and can process water quality reports submitted by user, approve complaints from guests, set policies for companies, and approve user registration. User can be research institutions related to river monitoring and companies located near river basins. User can input their own parameter data and provide reports on wastewater management. Guests are the general public who can monitor river water condition and report issues related to river water quality.